Hi everyone, welcome to Samira's Fashion YouTube channel. My name is Samira. I'll be teaching you guys how to make a bustier top with a peplum, sharing tips, tricks, and have fun along the way. So if you are interested in this kind of style, please keep on watching this particular tutorial down to the end. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, and hit that notification bell to get notified to see my next video when I upload new one. And guys, don't forget to give this video more watch time. So guys, keep on watching down to the end. Let's dive in. Here is my crepe fabric for the bustier. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to cut the upper parts out for us to start our measurement. Okay, so just keep on watching, guys. Now I'm going to start marking out my measurement. So from my upper part, I'm going to place my tape rule and measure 15 inches for my half length. Okay, so I'll rule a line. So after that, I'm going to be measuring 3.5 inches from my nipple to nipple and give a straight line for that. Alright, so I'm still marking my 3.5 inches from my nipple to nipple, so I'm giving a straight line to connect the marks together. Okay, so at this point I'm going to mark my shoulder and I'm going to divide it by 2. My shoulder divided by 2 is 7.5 inches, and I'm going to draw a straight line to connect the mark. At this point, I'm going to also mark 9 inches for my nipple point. So that's my nipple point and it's by 9 inches. So after that, I'm going to mark 12 inches for my underbust. So guys, please keep on watching down to the end. So after that, on my chest line, I'll be marking 7 inches. So that's the 7 inches for my chest line. So I'm going to also give a straight line to connect the marks. Okay, so now what I'm doing, I'm connecting the lines together. Okay, I'm going to go down by 1 inch to slope my shoulder. Okay, so for my shoulder line, I'm going to also mark 7 inches. So I just want to explain that to you guys. So that's the 7 inches I'm going to mark for my shoulder line. So I'm going to divide it by 2 inches, which is 3.5 inches. So after that, I'm going to go down by 1 inch to make my bustier to come up well. So after doing that, I'm going to rule a straight line for that. So just that 1 inch is for the bustier to come up well. So to come up well. So guys, just give this video more watch time. Okay. At this point, I will be connecting it to my nipple point. So from my nipple point, so I also connect it to my underbust. Okay, so you can see how simple it is to make this style that we are making today. So I'm going to connect it down to my underbust. So you can see how simple it is for us to cut and sew this particular style that we are making. We are making a bustier. So after that, I'll go ahead now to measure my bust by 34 inches. So I'm going to also add 1 inch that I'm going to cut out before adding my stitching allowance, which is 1.5 inch. Okay, so for my underbust, I will be measuring 26 inches and also add 1 inch that I'm going to cut out before adding my sewing allowance 1.5 inch. So my waistline is what I'm going to measure now. It's the same as my underbust, which is 26 inch. Okay, so just keep on watching this particular tutorial down to the end. So after that, I'm going to connect the marks together before cutting it out. So guys, don't forget we are cutting this style is a bustier, so we are cutting the front piece. So after cutting this front piece, that's what we are going to use and cut the back piece. So don't forget to give this video much more watch time. You can also share it with your friends. Please ask them to also subscribe to my channel. Alright, and not only that, I have a similar tutorial on my channel. You can also watch it so that you can also learn the style that we have on my channel already. So please keep on watching. This style that we are making today is a bustier tutorial that we are making today, and we are going to also attach 360-degree peplum at the waistline. So please, I'm going to notch my under bust now. Okay, so it's a princess bustier that we are making today, and it's going to have peplum, 360-degree peplum at the waistline. So guys, please give this video more watch time to support what we are doing on this channel, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. Okay, so I'm still cutting the front piece. Alright, so after cutting this front piece, so we are going to use it to cut our back piece. So please just keep on watching this particular tutorial down to the end, so that you can see the fitness of the style that we are making today. And not only that, that is the only way you'll be able to understand this tutorial that we are making today, because I really want you to understand it. Alright, so just keep on watching down to the end to see the outcome of the style that we are making today. So I'm still notching my under bust, so to indicate it when sewing it. Alright, so just keep on watching and please follow the procedure that you are seeing us doing here. So at this point, I will just go ahead and place my pieces together, the front piece. So I'm using my scissors to hold the bustier down so that it will not appear at the back piece, as you can see me doing on the video. Alright, so after cutting it out, I'm going to just add my zipper allowance, which is 1 inch. Okay, so guys, it's the back piece that we are cutting now. Alright, just keep on watching down to the end, guys. So I'm opening my zipper allowance. So I have my fabric, the one I'm going to use to make my 360-degree peplum to complete the length of my top. So I'll just go ahead and fold it and measure my circumference by 13 inches. So I will still fold it again. Alright, so I'm going to refold it, as you can see me doing on the video. After that, I will just go ahead now to mark 4 inches. So I'm going to mark this 4 inches round to the end of my circumference, and this is what is going to form my waist measurement. So I'm going to keep on marking 4 inches round. Alright, so just follow the procedure that I'm using to cut out this 360-degree peplum out. So I'll be marking 8 inches for my length, so I'll keep on marking that 8 inches round. Okay, so after that, I'll just go ahead now to cut it out, but I'm still marking the 8 inches round. So please give this video more watch time, guys. Alright, and don't forget that we are making a princess bustier that's going to have 360 degrees peplum at the waistline, and you can see the procedure that we are using to cut it out. So I'm cutting it out. So after that, we are going to place it on the waistline of our bustier that we are making today. So I'll just go ahead now to spread it so you can see how neat it is and how simple it is for you to cut out this style that we are making today. Please keep on watching this particular tutorial down to the end, guys. At this point, I'll be pinning it from my under bust where I notched, and I'm going to continue to pin it round. So after pinning it, I'm going to take it to my sewing machine. I'll run a stitch on it, and I'm going to also iron it out. So you can see how simple it is to cut and sew this particular style that we are making today. Please, if you don't understand this particular tutorial, you need to watch it again and again, so you are going to get it after watching it again, guys. After that, I'm going to cut out my front neck now. Okay, so I've joined it together. So I'm going to just go ahead now to mark 4 inches for my front neckline. Okay, so that's the 4 inches that I'm marking now for my front neckline, while I'll go down by 3 inches for the depth of my front neckline. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead now to mark 5 inches for the back depth neckline. Okay, so I'll just give a curve, so I'm going to just cut it out. So guys, you can see how simple it is to make this style that we are cutting today. So I want you to give this video more watch time. So at the waistline, I'm going to just mark 1 inch to make it to slope well so that I can sit well on my waistline. So I'm just cross checking the bust measurement is okay. So now I'm going to mark 7 inches from my armhole, then I'm going to give a curve for that. So guys, yours should be like this when making your own. If you don't understand this particular tutorial, you need to watch it again and again so that you can understand it. And guys, please keep on watching down to the end so that you can see the fitness of this outfit that we are making today, because we are going to wear it out for you guys to see how beautiful it is, the style that we are making today, how it came out. So please keep on watching, and don't forget the fabric that we are using to make this style is a crepe fabric, so you can get it in the market. It's very affordable, and the style that we are making today is a princess bustier. It's going to also have 360-degree peplum at the waistline. So guys, so our next step now guys, for us to attach our peplum to our waistline. So I'll just go ahead now to align the raw edges by pinning it down. So I'm going to just keep on pinning it. I'm going to pin it round to the end of the waist circumference. So guys, you can see how simple it is to make this particular style that we are cutting out today. And I'm going to also use 1/2 inch when sewing it together. Okay, and after this part we are going to wear it out for you guys to see the fitness of the half fit that we are making today. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please, you can just pause now and click the red button under my video to subscribe. You can share this tutorial with your friends, with your family members. Please also ask them to also watch this particular tutorial down to the end guys. So we are ready, so let us wear it out for you guys to see the fitness. So by following these steps and tips, you'll be able to make your own. You'll be able to create a beautiful bustier top with 360-degree peplum. And that's a wrap for today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to cut and sew a bustier top with 360 degrees peplum, and it has a princess line on it. If you did, please give this video more watch time, and please subscribe, like, comment, and give it a thumbs up. Also turn the notification bell to get notified. Thank you for watching.